If you're like me and don't want to be spending all of Christmas Eve or even worse, Christmas morning in the kitchen, this video is for you. Hi, I'm Jenna, an EHA and food safety expert, otherwise known as the Food Safety Mum, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how easy it is to meal prep most, if not all, of your Christmas dinner in advance. So today we are officially starting our Christmas dinner meal prep, and I've enlisted some help, my husband. And to keep our focus, we have given ourselves 1 hour to get as much prep as possible. And before this video, we've already planned out our Christmas Day menu, so we know what we need to make in advance, and all of the recipes we'll be using are available to download, and I'll put the link to get these in the description below. You ready?
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Cool.
Okay, so we are over halfway. We've got 20 minutes left. How you doing, babe?
Good.
So in 40 minutes, so far we have made the bread sauce. The potatoes are currently steam drying. They've been peeled, part boiled, and yeah, they're just having a dry under some tea towels. And I'm also halfway through making the sage and onion stuffing. And Ian's made all of the pigs in blankets. We've kind of gone a bit overboard. There's 10 of us on Christmas Day, so we kind of worked it out we'd have at least 2 per person plus some left over. But I think there was an extra pack in the fridge, so we've got extra. But yeah, we're doing okay. Okay, so our timer has just gone off for 1 hour, and we're pretty much there. Maybe we just need another 5 to 10 minutes. So where are we at? We've halfway through the potatoes. I'm just getting them ready to go in the freezer. The stuffing is made, the pigs in blankets are made, the bread sauce is just thickening, and the carrots and parsnips are just cooling down. So another 5 minutes. So that was our 1 hour Christmas food prep done. We did go slightly over. We actually went to 1 hour and 10 minutes, but hopefully that's okay. We are totally cleared up as well. And I'm pretty happy with the amount we've made as well. So here we've got some potatoes, and we've got some carrots and parsnips, some stuffing, frozen flat to save space in the freezer, some bread sauce, and last but not least, pigs in blankets. So I've frozen these in a Tupperware because obviously it's raw meat. We don't want to open freeze these in the freezer. But what I have done is I've put a layer of baking paper in between each layer of pigs in blankets so that they don't get stuck together. You can keep it in a Tupperware like this until Christmas Eve. Or if you need to save space, what you can do is once these are frozen solid, they'll probably take around 4 to 6 hours. Transfer them into a labelled freezer bag. Now when it comes to the potatoes, these are going to be open freeze like this. We're going to open freeze them like this just for a few hours. So again, probably for realistically about 4 hours these will take to completely freeze solid. And then what we'll do, because obviously you can't leave big old baking trays like this in your freezer for very long, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take them out and pop them into a freezer safe bag, labeled up, ready for Christmas Day. Then, and the same with the carrots and parsnips as well. The benefit of open freezing them is so that they don't all stick together. And then on the day, on Christmas Day, we're gonna roast the potatoes and the carrots and parsnips straight from frozen. The other bits will get defrosted the day before. Now, I do have a Christmas planner as well, and inside this, we're going to list out a defrosting planner. So we're gonna, in a minute, write down everything that we've made and then what needs to be defrosted and what doesn't. So for example, it just means that if we have to spread things out in the freezer because of space, that we don't forget what we've made ahead, what needs to be defrosted, so we can keep checking this in the few days up until Christmas and making sure that we're defrosting the right foods. So hopefully you found this video useful and inspired to start with your Christmas meal prep. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for lots more content coming for an organised, stress-free Christmas in the kitchen.